You ever wonder how things move? Cars, clocks, even those giant cranes, gears. They're like the hidden muscles of machines transferring power and making things go. Gears are these toothed wheels that fit together. When one gear turns, it turns the other, and that's how you get motion. Simple idea, big impact. Without gears, we're talking a much different world. No cars, no planes, no heavy machinery. These little guys are essential. So how do you make a gear? You carve those teeth with precision, and that's where the MEAG gear shaper comes in. It's a machine designed to cut gears accurately and efficiently. Imagine a sculptor chipping away at a block of stone, but instead of a chisel, it's a cutting tool, and instead of stone, it's metal. That's the basic idea behind the MEAG gear shaper. This machine is a workhorse in the manufacturing world, known for its accuracy and reliability. It's a tough machine for a tough job. First you need a blank, a cylinder of metal that'll become the gear. The MEAG clamps onto this blank, holding it steady. Then a cutting tool, shaped like the space between gear teeth, starts moving. It cuts into the blank, shaping one tooth at a time. The blank rotates a bit, the tool cuts again, and this process repeats until all the teeth are perfectly formed. The MEAG gear shaper is known for its accuracy. We're talking fractions of a millimeter here because gears need to fit together perfectly to work right. It's all about the details, the rigidity of the machine, the quality of the cutting tools, the control system that ensures every movement is precise. This kind of precision is what separates a good gear from a great gear, and the MEAG consistently delivers. Section 5. Why MEAG matters. Quality and innovation. MEAG has been in the gear-making business for a long time, and they've built a reputation for quality and innovation. Their machines are built to last, and they're always looking for ways to improve. Whether it's developing new cutting tools or refining the machine's design, MEAG is all about pushing the limits of what's possible in gear manufacturing. They're not afraid to get their hands dirty, to experiment and find new solutions. Section 6. Made in Western Australia, a source of pride. What makes MEAG even more special is that they build these amazing machines right here in Western Australia. That's right, Aussie ingenuity at its finest. These machines are a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of Western Australian workers. They're built with pride, and that shows in the quality of the machines. It's a reminder that we can compete with the best in the world, right here on our home turf. Section 7. Gears in action. From cars to wind turbines, gears are everywhere. They're in cars, trucks, airplanes and ships. They're in power plants, factories, and even in your wristwatch. Think about a wind turbine. Those giant blades wouldn't spin without gears. They convert the wind's energy into rotational force, which generates electricity. Gears are the unsung heroes of the modern world, quietly working behind the scenes to keep everything moving. Section 8. The future of gear manufacturing, advanced technologies. The world of manufacturing is constantly evolving, and gear making is no exception. We're seeing new materials, new technologies, and new ways of doing things. Computer-aided design, or CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM, are changing how gears are designed and made, making the process even more precise and efficient. And with the rise of automation and robotics, we can expect to see even more advanced gear manufacturing in the future. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring importance of gears. Gears might be hidden inside machines, but their importance is undeniable. They're the backbone of modern technology, essential for everything from transportation to energy production. And companies like MEAG, with their commitment to quality and innovation, are leading the way in gear manufacturing, ensuring that the world keeps turning smoothly. So, next time you hear a machine humming, take a moment to appreciate the humble gear, the unsung hero of our modern world.